Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Right now we are at a popular and a beautiful valley town of Bhutan called Paro. This location is for someone who enjoys being close to the nature while at the same time appreciated sacred places. Now we are hiking toward a most popular Buddhist sacred site called the TIGER Nest's Monastery. Let me tell you about the TIGER Nest's Monastery. It was constructed in 1692 around the cave where Guru Rinpoche first meditated, the event that introduced Buddhism into Bhutan. There is a legend that Guru Rinpoche was carried from Tibet to this location on the back of a tigress, thus giving it the name the Tiger Nest. Once we cleared the trees and covered the halfway of our trekking, we get a glimpse of a beautiful and wonderful Tiger Nest Monastery. It is really stunning in its beauty and location. Finally, we reach our destination point, that is Tiger Nest Monastery. It's really great to be here. Without a doubt, a first-time trip to Bhutan would not be complete without seeing the Tiger Nest Monastery. If you like my video, then hit the like button, and also if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel The Night Traveler, and also ring the bell icon please for upcoming notification of my video.